everyone, welcome back to Sophias world. And now we're gonna go on a nature walk. So this is the start. Lovely castle. And now it's the magic door. Well, we call it magic. And here, the nature begins. Okay, so we're gonna have to look out for little wooden people. And Mommy says they come alive at night, which I don't believe, but I'm sure they do. So, we're just gonna wait. Until...
What is that? Oh, that's great.
Oh, why that goes there? Little river. I can't tell if that's deep or not deep. Oh look, that looks like a person. Sure it's not. My picture is a monkey to me.
So, do you know the way?
No.
Oh, I thought you were being our leader. Let's hope we don't get lost this time.
Yeah, last time we got lost. Here we go, I guess this is where the wooden person starts. Look at that. It's amazing. This is cool. Terrifying at the same time.